Welcome to Woosh TV. In this video we are going to talk about the top 10 biggest stock exchanges in the world. So before starting this video, like this video, and subscribe to Woosh TV YouTube channel for future updates. Trading on the National Stock Exchange begins at 9:15 a.m. every morning and finishes at 3:30 p.m. every afternoon. A similar timing is there in almost all the stock markets in their local time. During this time, the entire market is alive with activity. Because many people rely on the stock market for their livelihood, either directly or indirectly, they are critical to a country's financial well-being. A stock exchange is a market where stockbrokers and traders can buy and sell assets such as stocks, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, bonds, derivatives, and other financial instruments. There are 60 stock exchanges in the world, and most of them have thousands of companies listed on them. Almost every one of these stock exchanges is run by computers. These exchanges give the platform that many corporations throughout the world require, in order to allow the general public to invest in them. Stock exchanges list companies from all industries, from agriculture to information technology. We'll talk about the top 10 largest stock exchanges in the world by market capitalization in this video. The world's largest stock exchanges. Number 1. New York Stock Exchange, United States. With a market value of $24.49 trillion as of January 2021, the New York Stock Exchange is the world's largest stock exchange. The exchange was founded on May 17, 1792, and is located at 11 Wall Street in Lower Manhattan, New York City. For its core trading session, the NYSE opens at 9:30 a.m. and finishes at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. This corresponds to 7 p.m. to 3:30 a.m. in India Standard Time. The trading that takes place on the NYSE on any given day has an impact on the trading that takes place on all other stock exchanges the next day, and as a result, traders from all over the world watch what happens on the NYSE. On the New York Stock Exchange, there are 2,400 companies listed. The NYSE lists a large share of the world's leading blue-chip equities such as Johnson & Johnson, Berkshire Hathaway, and JP Morgan Chase & Co., which are spread throughout all sectors. The NYSE Composite Index, NYSE US 100 Index, Dow Jones Industrial Average, and S&P 500 Index are some of the indices that are used to measure the performance of trading on the NYSE on a given day. Number 2. Nasdaq, United States. With a market value of $19.34 trillion, the National Association of Securities Dealers Automated Quotations, or Nasdaq, is the world's second largest stock exchange. Nasdaq is the world's first electronically traded stock market, with headquarters at 151 West 42nd Street in New York City. On Nasdaq, almost 3,000 firms are listed, including Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and Facebook, which are among the world's largest IT corporations. Apart from Facebook, all four firms have a market worth of more than $1 trillion, with Facebook not far behind. The Nasdaq has recently attracted a lot of attention, which began around the time of the dot-com bubble in the late 1990s. With developments in technology and development for the United States, and the rest of the world, it continues to pique the interest of market participants. Number 3. Shanghai Stock Exchange, China. Shanghai Stock Exchange is the world's largest stock exchange, and it is one of the three largest stock exchanges in the world, with a market value of $6.5 trillion. It is located in China, the world's most populous country. It's worth noting that the world's third largest stock exchange has less than a third of the market capitalization of the world's leading and second largest stock exchanges, both of which are based in the US. The Shanghai Stock Exchange, which opened on November 26, 1990, has over 1,500 businesses listed on it, and the SSE Composite Index is used to gauge the exchange's overall attitude. The Shanghai Stock Exchange has a high number of large-cap stocks, including PetroChina, the Industrial and Commercial Bank of China, and the Agriculture Bank of China. Number 4. Hong Kong Exchange. Hong Kong is one of the world's most prominent financial centers. People working in the financial industry can benefit from an all-encompassing and high-quality financial environment in Hong Kong. It has attracted a large number of foreign market participants as a result of this. The Hong Kong Exchange, which was founded on February 3, 1891, is the world's fourth largest stock exchange, and Asia's second largest, with a market value of $6.48 trillion USD. It is nearly as large as the Shanghai Stock Exchange, and if it continues to grow at the same rapid rate, as in the past, it will soon overtake the Shanghai Stock Exchange. The Hong Kong Exchange has around 2,000 firms listed. The two largest are AIA and Tencent Holdings. Number 5. Japan Exchange Group. On January 1, 2013, the Tokyo Stock Exchange and the Osaka Securities Exchange merged to establish the Japan Exchange Group. They have a combined market capitalization of $6.35 trillion, which is comparable to the market capitalizations of the world's third and fourth largest stock exchanges. On the Japan Exchange Group, there are about 3,700 companies listed. The Tokyo Stock Exchange lists almost all of these companies. Nikkei is the Tokyo Stock Exchange's benchmark index, and it includes firms such as Toyota, Suzuki, Honda, Mitsubishi, and Sony. Number 6. Shenzhen Stock Exchange, China. The Shenzhen Stock Exchange is the smallest of China's 3 stock exchanges. Despite this, it has a market capitalization of $4.9 trillion. The combined market capitalizations of the Shanghai Stock Exchange, Hong Kong Exchange, and Shenzhen Stock Exchange would be almost equal to NASDAQ's market capitalization. The Shenzhen Stock Exchange was established on December 1, 1990, and it now has almost 2,300 businesses listed. Number 7. Euronext Europe. The acronym Euronext stands for European New Exchange Technology. It is a pan-European stock exchange, making it Europe's largest and most liquid stock exchange, as well as the world's 7th largest stock exchange. Its market capitalization is $4.88 trillion, and it was created on September 22, 2000. The company's headquarters are in Amsterdam, the Netherlands. Procter & Gamble, LVMH, Royal Dutch Shell, Merck & Co., and L'Oréal are the top 5 firms listed on Euronext by market capitalization. Number 8. London Stock Exchange Group. The London Stock Exchange Group, LSEG, is a London-based stock exchange and financial information provider. The London Stock Exchange, Refinitiv, LSEG Technology, FTSE Russell, and a majority ownership in LCH and Tradeweb are all owned by the company. More than 1,300 firms are listed on the LSEG, which has a market capitalization of $3.67 trillion, and is located in the heart of the world's financial center. Barclays, British Petroleum, Toyota Motors, Unilever, HSBC, and AstraZeneca are just a handful of the major firms listed on the LSEG. Number 9. India's National Stock Exchange. One of India's 2 stock markets is the National Stock Exchange, NSE. The Bombay Stock Exchange is the other and older one, BSE. The NSE, which was founded in April 1993 and is based in Mumbai, Maharashtra, has a market value of $2.57 trillion, making it the world's 9th largest stock exchange. It is the world's largest derivative stock exchange. Nifty is the NSE's benchmark index. Reliance, HDFC Bank, Infosys, HDFC, ICICI Bank, Tata Consultancy Services, and Kotak Mahindra Bank are just a handful of NIFTY's notable constituents. The Sensex is the BSE's benchmark index. Number 10. TMX Group, Canada. The TMX Group, based in Toronto, is the 10th largest stock exchange in the world and the final member of our list. The Toronto Stock Exchange, TSX, which serves the senior equity markets, mid-cap, and large-cap businesses, and the TSX Venture Exchange, TSXV, which serves the public venture equity market, are both owned by the TMX Group. Small-cap companies are listed here. It has a $2.5 trillion market capitalization. The TSX has roughly 1,500 companies listed, whereas the TSXV has around 1,600. Fortis, CGI, National Bank of Canada, Franco-Nevada, and Rogers are just a handful of the major corporations listed on the TSX. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.